Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to put MacBook to sleep. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. Mac Sleep Mode is designed to save energy and prevent wear. It easily activates after a curtain period ranging from 1 minute to 3 hours of inactivity. You can change when Mac goes to best on your case and customize other sleep settings on your notebook or desktop Mac. So how if you want to turn your MacBook to sleep, you can just click on the up left corner on the Mac icon on there, and you'll find there is an option sleep. You can just click on that so your MacBook will be on sleep mode. And you can also setting for the sleep mode on your system preferences. You can just search on the search bar in here, sleep. You can schedule, start up, and sleep mode on your MacBook. So in here, you can see sleep. If you want to turn off this feature, you can just remove the checklist on here, or you can schedule the sleep time on your MacBook in here. I've shown you on my previous video actually that how to schedule sleep time and also the start up wake on your MacBook. It's so simple, right? So that is how to put your MacBook into sleep. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.